What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to grow your YouTube channel. So first things first, this is vidIQ that I'm showing you. I'll show you how to do it. So basically you go first vidIQ if you want to do it. Just go to vidIQ, sign in. Sign up, use your email address. I got like another YouTube channel. This is my old one actually. I'm not doing that actually. Sure, it has my face in there. So yeah, I'll show you how to upload. So see, with vidIQ, it shows you the score for your video and stuff. With free, there's a free version and pro version. You can do a lot with free version, but pro version is also good. So yeah, you can download thumbnails as well. Yes, with vidIQ you can download thumbnails. Let's just go to Sketch, for example. He's a Roblox YouTuber. Sketch. Roblox. Yeah. Like, Oh, come on, man. Okay, whatever. It don't work no more. So, yeah. vidIQ is really good for optimizing your browser, growing your YouTube channel and stuff. So, let me show you my channel now. Okay. Also, don't mind the stuff in the background that like home my brother watches on this account. Okay. So as you can see, look, my videos, I've been uploading a lot, like with less than 300 views, and one day, like, I kept, like uploading, and then one day, oh yeah, I got, a very famous video. Let me show you. Yeah, after uploading for so long, I hit like a huge amount of views, which is 2K. I know it ain't a lot for you famous people or whatever, but yeah, slowly you will up it up to like 10K views, 100K views, you know, eventually. So yeah, that's all for today. Oh yeah, actually no. If you want to learn how to download the vidIQ extension, go to Chrome extensions. Just go to Chrome Web Store, search vidIQ, enter, go to this first one. Let me show you. I'll remove it. Add it. You see this? It says add extension. Yeah, okay, I added it. So yeah, that's how you do it. And after you
Welcome to vidIQ. If you're watching this,
after you like sign in or whatever, download the extension, you get to watch this unlisted video. I won't spoil it for you. Anyway, peace out. That's all I have for today. Until next time, my dudes.